Hey, what's going on, you guys? I am Veggie Rolls, and if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. And don't forget to go ahead and click on the subscribe button. It looks like this, and the little notification bell next to it, so that you will be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and sweet Saturday. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a recipe that I absolutely love with you guys, and this is a vegan version of elote. And if you're like, what in the world is elote? And elote is basically a Mexican street corn type of snack situation. Yeah, so let's get veggie. All right, guys, so let's get yummy up in here. So I have, oh wait, almost forgot one of the important thingies. Look, you guys, I got a little brush thingy. I got it from the dollar store because I was in the dollar store and I was like, oh, look, a little brush thingy, which I need. Yay. So I got it, and I'm like, okay, cool. Now I can make these. But anyways, so we have corn on the cob that has already been boiled. I set these to boil for 30 minutes or until everything became tender. I might have overboiled them because they look a little wrinkly, but it's okay. Not a big deal. You could also barbecue these, and the reason why I'm making this recipe is because grilling season is coming soon, if it's not already here when you're watching this. So this is perfect to grill. So all right, we have our corn on the cob, we have a skewer, and we're gonna go ahead and stick it up in there. Okay, careful. Oh, we went too far. Back up. All right, there we go. So if it looks like a corn lollipop, you did the right thing. All right, and next, this is gonna be like, are you for real right now, Rose? This is what it's really made like. This is how it's really made. Okay, so first, actually, I boiled our corn on the cob here with a little bit of salted water. But yeah, I made 4, Mia stole 1. Anyways, so right here, I have some OMG mayo. Yes, you heard right. Some mayo, and we're gonna slather on the mayo on the corn on the cob. And I know that sounds like, what? But this is how elote is made. So you slather it on, and by the way, I'm using vegan mayo, so no one be alarmed. Again, I know some of you healthier folks are gonna be like, why is she slathering mayo? That's like, oh my God. But this is not an everyday thing. This is like a barbecue cookout type situation, once in a blue moon kind of snack. You don't want to have this all the time because it is slathered in mayo, but let me tell you, it is delicious. All right, so anywho, we got this guy slathered in mayo. I'm gonna go ahead and slather the rest. So next we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle on, I have here some cashew parm, which is basically, I just took some cashews. I used roasted cashews because I didn't feel like going to the place where I get my raw cashews to get raw cashews. So I was like, whatever. So I used regular roasted cashews, a sprinkle of nutritional yeast, and a sprinkle of garlic powder. Blended it all up in my blender. No, I don't have a high-speed blender. You don't need a high-speed blender for this. And then, yeah, so it became our little cashew parm. And next, I'm going to go ahead and just sprinkle that on. But anywho, here we have, this is called tajín. This is a little Mexican sort of like seasoning, and it is called tajín, Tajin. It actually just tastes like fresh and lime-ishy. So we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle some of that on, and it's gonna give it this beautiful red color that elote is known for. Next, to spice it up a little bit, add some like extra kick, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle on some chipotle chili powder. I'm gonna try not to talk or breathe as I do this because this will make me start coughing and sneezing. Alright guys, so it's time for the taste test cam. Here it is. I actually went ahead and added a little vegan ranch sauce. You can do any like vegan ranch sauce you like. Of course, it's not gonna be traditional, but nothing about this really is because it's vegan and we're doing vegan mayo and we're not even doing real cheese. But we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. I don't know which end to start with. Here we go. Wow. That is so good. I love mayo. Let's just throw that out there. I also love lime sprinkled on stuff. And that tahini seasoning gives it such a delicious lime seasoning, a spice or a taste or flavor, whatever it is the word I'm looking for. If you guys don't have tahini or just can't find it, you could also use like cayenne pepper. You could do chipotle pepper and then drizzle on some lime juice. And that'll work just the same. And if you don't want to add anything like too spicy, just do like some paprika. I think smoked paprika would be nice on this. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes, because I would love to see what you made and I would love to know what you think about it. Also, just as a quick heads up, you might see the same outro in the 3 videos for this week because I filmed other videos and totally forgot to make an outro for it, even though I say the same exact thing in every outro. So yeah, just as a heads up, so you're not like, why does it sound exactly the same? Why are you wearing the same shirt? That's why. Just a quick little disclaimer. Anyways, love you guys and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.